हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ग्लोबल एकेडमी एमसीक्यूज एंड जनरल नॉलेज ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। इसकी आज हम 6th पार्ट अपलोड करने जा रहे हैं। इससे पहले 5 पार्ट्स हम ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुके हैं। तो जो इस वीडियो को फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि पहली 5 वीडियोज़ भी आप देख लें। तो शुरू करते हैं विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम। तो इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच नेशनल हाईवे entirely in Jammu and Kashmir and connects Srinagar with Leh, also known as Srinagar Leh Highway, National Highway 1D. Ashok Mehta Committee 1977 was recommended for Mandal Panchayat. El Nino is a tropical disturbance. Which fort is popularly known as Riyasi Fort? Bhimgarh Fort. Which national highway entirely within J&K connects Batot with Khanabal? National Highway 1C. Monsoon is caused by seasonal reversal winds. The 11th schedule of the Constitution relating to Panchayat contains 29 items. The snow on the mountains does not melt all at once when it is heated by the sun because it has high latent heat of fusion. Jahangir built the Shalimar temple in Srinagar for Noor Jahan. Which of the following is the earliest source of Kashmir? Raj Tarangani. Which one of the following provisions has been left to the will of the state government in 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act, providing reservation to the backward classes? A part. Extensive deserts occur in the western tropical region of the continents because cold ocean currents flow along the western Ghat. B part. Which monastery has a statue of Shakyamuni Buddha? इसका है डी पार्ट कंबाइंड बी एंड सी, यानी द अर्थ रेवोल्यूशन अराउंड द सॉरी ये है शे मॉनेस्ट्री. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सीजन्स अकर बिकॉज द अर्थ रेवोल्यूशन अराउंड द सन एंड द अर्थ एक्सिस इज इंक्लाइंड बाय 66.5 डिग्री. तो इसका डी पार्ट है कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ बी एंड सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फेमस रूलर ऑफ कश्मीर हु कंस्ट्रक्टेड श्राइन ऑन burial site of Sheikh Nuruddin was Zainul Abidin. The stranded sea level in Milli Bar is 1013 MB. Next, Panch Pakhtar Temple, one of the oldest temples of Jammu, is attributed to which Hindu deity? Lord Shiva. Isotherms are lines on the map joining places which have the same mean temperature. B part. Over which hills shrine of Mata Vishnu Devi is located? It is located on Trikuta Hills. Which of the following system is established on the basis of direct election? Gram Panchayats. What is a tornado? A very low pressure center. B part. How many megalithic sites have been existed in prehistoric times in Kashmir? 1. The fraction of solar energy reflected from Earth into a space is known as irradiation. The first Mirwais of Kashmir was Mirwais Maulvi Ghulam Ahmad. ये फेमस पर्सनालिटी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. Who authored the book Kashmir Misgovernment? Robert Thorpe. Which of the following article is related to Panchayati Raj? Article 243. What kind of deserts are Atacama deserts and Gobi desert? They are rain shadow deserts. Who started the construction of Raghunath temple? Maharaja Gulab Singh. Shadra Sharif in Rajouri has the shrine of Baba Ghulam Shah. Which is the first archaeological site in the country which revealed the existence of Neolithic settlement in Kashmir region? Burzahom. What was the main purpose behind bringing Panchayati Raj system in India? Decentralization of political powers to the general people. For which Hazrat Bal shrine is famous for? Moe Muqaddas, believed to be heir of Muhammad, Prophet be upon him, peace be upon him. Under the rule of which king construction of Raghunath temple completed? Ranbir Singh. Which of the following are a few major inventions of Neolithic era? Needless, Harappans, hunting tools. They are all the few major inventions of Neolithic era. Which schedule was added to the Constitution by 73rd Constitutional Amendment? The 11th schedule. Maharaja Gulab Singh died in 1857. The Treaty of Lahore takes place on 9th March 1846. What was the full name of Lal Ded? Laleshwari. How many posts are reserved for women at the level in Panchayat Raj system? 1/3. Which temple is also known as Takht-e Suleiman? Shankaracharya temple. Who constructed the Hari Parbat fort in Srinagar? Afghan governor Atta Muhammad Khan. When did the habilitation of Burzahom come to an end? 1400 BC. D part. Who built Chashme Shahi? Chashme Shahi was built in 1632 by Ali Mardan Khan on the orders of Shah Jahan as a gift for his elder son Dara Shikoh. Pandrethan, the old city of Srinagar, was founded by Ashoka. What is the meaning of Raj Tirangani? Kings of Kashmir. During whose reign Raghunath temple was constructed? Maharaja Ranbir Singh. The first wooden bridge built at Srinagar is known as Zainakadal. During the reign of which Hindu king Kalhana completed Raj Tirangani? Jaisimha. The first fortification of Hari Parbat was constructed by Akbar in 1590. Which period was known for the one of the most peaceful and progressive periods in the history of Kashmir Valley? Dogra period. Which of the following place the fourth Buddhist council was held? In Kashmir. Who constructed the Shankaracharya temple? Raja Gopaladitya. Who established the Nagal Sahib Gurdwara of Punch? Sant Bhai Mela Singh. The law regarding state subject was passed by Maharaja Hari Singh on 31st March 1927. When did Maharaja Hari Singh become the king of J&K? 1925. Hari Parbat has the shrine of Sharika Mata. The Mughal emperor who brought sacred hair of Prophet Muhammad to Kashmir was Aurangzeb. The instrument of accession of Jammu and Kashmir was signed on 26th October 1947. Who is known as the Samudragupta of Kashmir? Laladitya. C part. Next. Makhdum Sahib, shrine of Hamza Makhdum. ये incomplete question है यहाँ. Next question. Which Sikh Guru is believed to occasionally visit the Hari Parbat? Guru Har Gobind. The title Sadr Riyasat for Governor and Prime Minister for Chief Minister was abolished in 1965. Karwan-e Aman bus service was launched between Srinagar and Muzaffarabad. In which year Raj Tirangani was translated into English? 1900 AD. Historic Sun Temple at Mutton was built by Raja Ramdev. What are the other names of Hari Parbat? Durrani Fort or Kohe Maran. Who was the founder of Dharmarth Trust? Gulab Singh. Habba Khatun was the queen of which Kashmir king? Yusuf Shah. Which of the following king founded the Pravarsimpura city of Srinagar? It was founded by Parvasena II. Who built stone stairs at Shankaracharya temple? Raja Gulab Singh. Who built Shalimar Bagh? Jahangir for his wife Noor Jahan in 1619. Kumar Raju was among the renowned Kashmiri scholars who travelled to China. In which year Kashmir was made a part of Lahore Darbar by Ranjit Singh, 1819 AD? When was Kashmir headed over Raja Gulab Singh by Sir Lawrence, 9th November 1846? Who built Nishad Bagh? Built in 1633 by Asif Khan, elder brother of Noor Jahan. Who built the Amar Mahal, Hari Palace? It was built in 19th century for Dogra king Raja Amar Singh by a French architect on the lines of French Chateau. How many seats are there in the Constituent Assembly of J&K? 89. Elected 87 and 2 nominated. What is the amount that Gulab Singh paid to acquire Kashmir from British? 75 lakh rupees. Jammu was earlier known as Jambupura. The word Kashmir comes from two Sanskrit words, Ka and Shamira, which means water and dry up. On the bank of which river Hari Nivas is located? On Tavi river. Who constructed the famous Bahu fort? Bahu Lochan, Jambu Lochan's brother. Who among the following wrote Shiva Sutras? Vasugupta. Kashmir Shivism is also referred as Trika. Who constructed the Ranveshwar temple in Akhnur? Ranbir Singh. Which place is known as Meadow of Flower? Gulmarg. Next, in J&K, Martyrs Day is observed every year on 13 जुलाई. गुलाब सिंह, तो इसको एज ए हॉलीडे भी बनाया जाता था जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में, लेकिन अब इसको जो हॉलीडेज की लिस्ट है जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की उसमें से इसको रिमूव कर दिया गया है. गुलाब सिंह sent his general Zorawar Singh to invade Ladakh in 1834. Which palace is known as Meadow of Gold? Sonamarg. Which reforms were advocated by Gulab Singh to gain actual possession of Kashmir? तो इसमें ये तमाम फैक्ट्स हैं. He reorganized the revenue and police administration of Valley. He readdressed the grievances of shawl traders who were heavily taxed. The most important reform was rationing of rice to the population of Srinagar. Next, which town is located in the foothill of Mata Vishnu Devi Temple, Katra? Who built Jama Masjid of Srinagar? Sultan Sikandar in AD 1400 and enlarged by Zainul Abidin. Who became the first Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? Justice Meher Chand Mahajan. When did Jammu and Kashmir accede to India? 26 October 1947. Which place in Jammu and Kashmir has a tourism all round the year? Vishnu Devi Temple. Who was the first Sikh ruler who conquered Kashmir and defeated the Pathans in 1819? Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Who was the first Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? G.M. Sadiq. The present fort located in Hari Parbat was built under the reign of Shuja Shah Durrani in 1808. Who was the last ruling king of J&K? Hari Singh. ये पार्ट 6 भी कंप्लीट हो गया है, तो इसका पार्ट 7 हम बहुत जल्दी लेके आएंगे. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स मुझे PDF की रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो मैं उनको इन्फॉर्म करना चाहूँगा कि जो ही हमारे ये कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे 800 MCQs ऑन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जनरल नॉलेज और 1200 कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे MCQs ऑन कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशंस, तो उसके बाद हम PDF आपको अवेलेबल कर रहे हैं. हमारी टीम इस पे ऊपर काम कर रही है, उनको कंप्यूटराइज्ड वगैरह वो कंप्यूटर वर्क उसके ऊपर कर रही है, तो बहुत जल्दी वो आपके लिए अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे. मैं कोशिश करूँगा विद इन वीक वो आपको मिल जाए. तो उसके लिए फिर हम पूरा वो सिस्टम बनाएंगे कैसे आपको हम वो अवेलेबल करवाएंगे. ओके, थैंक्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड एज ऑलवेज गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.